Hey everybody, on this review we've got the Mulwart crimping tool set. This set comes with 210 pieces of heat shrink connection, and what's important about these heat shrink connections is that they are also adhesive lined, and we're going to show that here in a minute. But I want to get to what's included with this kit and what I think really stands out about it. First of all, this crimping tool is really robust. It definitely is comfortable in the hand. It's nice to use. It's got a lot of power. It is a first-rate crimper. And then here we've got the terminals, and they are outstanding as well. I haven't opened this kit yet, but I do have other ones from Mulwart, which I think are really outstanding. The adhesive on these is really, really nice for getting an effective seal on vehicle wiring harnesses. And that's one thing a lot of guys miss when they look at kits like this. They miss the fact that this is adhesive lined. And where that matters is when you heat shrink it, you actually get an effective seal around the wire and you prevent moisture and oxygen from getting in and attacking that connection over time. So let's take a look at a couple of these and make some crimps. First thing we're going to do is a 10 gauge. Going to get a good strip on there. Again, this is a 10 gauge. Going to go in there all the way up to the barrier. So since this is 10 gauge, we're going to use the yellow slot on the crimper. I'm going to go right up to the line. Here we go. We got a great crimp on there. We're going to go ahead and strip the other end as well. And we're going to give that one a good squash. And there we have it. There is a good crimp. We're going to go ahead and hit it with the heat gun and show you what I mean by the adhesive in here. You do want to apply the heat all the way around the connection. And you can see that adhesive getting squeezed out. That is a watertight, environmentally sealed connection now, which has a remarkable strength. It is a first-rate way to do wire repair. And I'm not going to step through them, but you can certainly use this. This is a 16 gauge wire. This is a 14 gauge wire. This kit goes all the way down to 22 gauge and all the way up to 10 gauge. It is an excellent, excellent kit. But do remember, you are actually getting a more effective seal with these connections than you would a normal crimp connection. So absolutely first rate, really good crimper. Could not recommend this kit more. Thanks for watching, everybody.